This video tutorial is about a new updated function in PodiumxRT called Reload, and it will be available in version 1.2 sometime in February 2025. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use the popular Barcelona model that we often use for demonstration, and I'm using a sample rate of 20, and here's my PodiumxRT scene, rendered scene. You can see I move around and I go back to the original scene in SketchUp, and what I want to show is that I can change material properties, I can change colors, I can change podium material properties, and use Reload and update the scene. So the bump depth right now is 8%. I'm going to take this up to 53%, which is a ridiculous amount. But you'll see I used apply for the material, and you can see how it quickly updated the bump percentage, which makes the water look like ice. So we'll go back and put it back down to 10. Apply. And then Reload, and then the updated PodiumxRT. It's still open. I didn't have to close it and open it. We'll click Reload, and it updates the scene according to what I've done in SketchUp. Now I can also add or take out things in the model and use Reload to quickly update a rendered scene without having to quit XRT at all. So in this case, I'm going to add a outdoor coffee coffee table set. Put it next to the pool, and there it is. The one I want is that one, the black chairs. And let's insert it into the model. This is from Podium Browser. And put it there, and I'm going to minimize Podium Browser here and move the coffee table set a little bit. So PodiumxRT is still open, and all I do is click Reload to update the rendered scene. There it is. Got the coffee table and the chairs, just like it's in the model. And that's the new function of Reload. You're able to add, subtract, change material properties, and then just reload the PodiumxRT scene. Now I have a more complex example if you'd like to continue watching. I have this high-rise living room scene, and I'm going to drop the sample rate down to 12 just for expedience sake, and just move the scene around a little bit, and let's drop it down to 12, and I'm going to let it run through 12 samples so you can see what the lighting is. This is pretty complex. It's a pretty big model. And the first thing I'm going to do is go back to the SketchUp, minimize PodiumxRT, but keep it open, and go back to SketchUp, and I'm going to rotate the chair in the living room using the SketchUp Move tool. And go back to scene 8 and use Reload. And this reload is quite fast. It's much faster than having to close and reopen PodiumxRT. And there you have it. There's the chair a location of the chair has been updated in the XRT scene. Now next I have a more complex example where I'm using tags, and I've assigned different furniture to different tags. And let's minimize XRT again, and let's switch scenes to the beach condo scene. Completely different set of furniture and lights and exterior scene. It takes a minute, but there we go. That's what it looks like. It looks like a condominium by the beach somewhere in Maui or somewhere. And let's open PodiumxRT. Not open, but just, it's already open, but I'm going to reload. And reloading is very fast. And there I have my scene updated. So it's completely different. But using reload, I'm able to make changes very quickly in the SketchUp model and have them reflected in the XRT scene, rendered scene. So I'm changing the light here, getting a little more light into the room, and running the samples. I'm just using 12 again. And that's basically how it works. Reload allows you to change things in SketchUp. Material properties, color, furniture, add things, delete things, and just reload. And this will be available later this month.